Hi there! Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make garlic lime grilled chicken with an incredible pineapple salsa. This recipe is incredibly flavorful. Tender, juicy, marinated chicken grilled to perfection with a pineapple jalapeno salsa that is crazy good. This is one of my all-time favorite summer recipes. Seriously, I can't get enough of it. And the salsa, I could eat that stuff with a spoon. It's one of those recipes that you will find yourself making again and again. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, so we are going to start making this recipe by making the salsa first. We want the salsa to really come together, all those ingredients to marry and become one. So we're gonna make this first. This is something you can do a couple hours ahead of time too if you prefer. The longer this stuff sits, the better it gets. So this is going to start with diced fresh pineapple. So I have about 2 cups of it here. You can see exactly how to dice fresh pineapple in this video up here. Now to this pineapple, we are going to add some fresh squeezed lime juice. And you really want to use fresh squeeze for this. It does make a big difference. So I'm just going to squeeze a lime over the pineapple. Okay, so you can already see these tropical Tex-Mexy flavors coming together. So to this, we are going to add some red bell pepper. We're going to add some red onion. For a little bit of heat, we're going to add some diced jalapenos. Now, I like to dice these really fine because, let's face it, nobody wants a big old hunk of jalapeno. We're also going to add some fresh chopped cilantro. So I'm going to give this a quick stir, get these ingredients all mixed together. And I just love the colors of this salsa, the red, green, and the purple from the onion. Oh, it smells fantastic. But we're not done yet. So last couple of things we're going to put in here. We have a little bit of orange juice. You can use fresh squeezed, but I'm just using the stuff from the jar. And for a little bit of sweetness, because we need a little bit more to pump up what was in the pineapple, I have some brown sugar. So we're just going to give this another stir, just making sure that that brown sugar gets dissolved in the orange juice and the pineapple juice. So we're just about done. I'm just going to add a little pinch of salt. That's just really going to bring the flavors out. And give that one last stir. And that's it. We're just gonna set this aside and let all those flavors come together. Next up, I'm going to show you how to make the marinade for our grilled chicken. Okay, so let's start making the marinade. I want to show you a little bit of a trick. We're going to marinate this chicken in a zipper bag. So we want our zipper bag to stand up while we're making the marinade in it. So I have a large measuring cup here, and within this measuring cup, I'm just going to put my zipper bag in, just kind of let it stand up in there. And then that way it won't fall over on itself as I'm adding ingredients to the bag. So a little trick just to make it easier for you when you're doing this. So our marinade is very simple, has a lot of the same flavors as the salsa. We're going to start with some orange juice. And to that, we're going to add more lime. So I have another lime here. We're just going to give that a squeeze and get all that fabulous lime juice in there. Okay, so to our orange juice and lime juice, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to add some minced garlic, some minced onion. I'm just using a little bit that was left over from the red onion in the salsa. And then we're going to start adding some flavorings. So no Tex-Mex recipe would be complete without cumin. It adds that deep smoky flavor. We're also going to add some dried cilantro and some dried oregano. And last but not least, we're going to add some salt and some black pepper. I'm just going to give this a quick stir and just get everything mixed up together. And then we're going to add our chicken. So to our prepared marinade, I'm just going to add some boneless, skinless chicken breast. You could also use chicken thighs. That would add some great flavor because chicken thighs have fantastic flavor and they grill up nice. You could also use drumsticks if you prefer, but I love boneless, skinless chicken breasts, so that's what we're using today. It cooks up quick and simple. It's one of my favorite quick cooking tips. You buy the thinly sliced chicken breast cutlets and they cook up super fast. So I'm just placing them in the bag. Okay, now we just need to do the really technical stuff, and that's picking up the bag, all the extra air out, and smushing it around. All right, so our chicken marinade is done. We're just gonna let this hang out in the marinade for 30 minutes at least, but you can go up to a couple of hours in there. I wouldn't go beyond 2 hours because that lime juice will start to break the chicken down. So we're gonna let that sit in the refrigerator until we're ready to grill it up. So our garlic lime chicken is done. And let me tell you, this smells incredible. I cannot wait to dig into this, but it's not ready yet because the best part is yet to come. We have to put on that amazing pineapple salsa that we made. And I like to just take spoonfuls of it and just run it right down the center when I serve it. That way everybody gets some chicken and some salsa. The smell of this is absolutely incredible too. But there you have it, the most amazing garlic lime chicken with pineapple jalapeno salsa. You guys, this is absolutely incredible. Let me grab a taste. I'm just going right for the salsa because let's face it, that's gonna be my favorite part of this whole thing. Oh, the sweetness coming out of the pineapple and the orange juice. And that little hit of heat from the jalapeno, it is the perfect combination. This all summer long for me. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.